Dito kami ng alaga ko. Pasyal-pasyal muna kami dahil 2:10 pa yung class niya. This one have water inside here, baby. How to play this one? Oh, you take a look. Her baby, she ate the cotton candy there. You take a look. Come on, let's go. Come on. She ate the cotton candy. That one. You wanna eat it? Pasyal ko muna siya dito kasi wala pa naman yung class niya. Yeah, dinosaur. Okay, let's go. Go. And then this one is sometimes we'll jump play this one in Philippines. The basketball. Here.
What's that?
Oh, that one. Oh, you need to hit that one, the balloon. Galing. Oh, come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Playhouse. That one is a playhouse. Oh, there's a lot of candy inside there. Wow. A lot of candy inside.